Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can connect your WordPress website with Cloudflare. Now here I can type Cloudflare and then let me go cloudflare.com. So this is official website. Then here you can check the pricing. If you want to use a premium package, you can also get a free account. Just go and click here sign up. And here you can see these are all the packages. So you can get a professional package if you have a website that's getting a lot of visitors, but for the startup just you can go with a free package. And now simply you can create account by adding email and password. You can also create account by clicking on continue with Google. So that's easy method. Now let me select email and then click on continue button. So guys, now here you can see Cloudflare account is created. Now next step is we need to add our domain name. Here you can see this one. Now just I need to copy this one, then scroll down, and here you can see you will get three options. Now click here continue button. Then scroll down, select a free plan. So guys, here you can see it has added all the data automatically, and after that now again click here continue to activation. Scroll down, and here you can see we need to replace these name servers with this one. So how to do that? Just I need to go into main settings. To change these name servers in my domain, let me go in my domain account. So I'm using Hostinger web hosting company, and now let me log in. Now let me go sign in with Google, and then let me select email. Now here you can see I have two domains. Let me click here manage, and then scroll down. Here you can see DNS name servers, just you can edit. Then click here change name servers, and here we can replace name servers one by one. So just I can copy and add here, then same for the second. For third and fourth box, so make it empty, then click on save button. So guys, here you can see it can take up to 24 hours for the domain propagation. Now let's go back. So guys, here you can see website is added in Cloudflare.